Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to learn about data types and variables. Let me push back to Visual Studio Code. So let me close the Java file from the previous video and let me delete this as well. So in the previous video, we learned about how we can print hello world in Python. Let me execute the same program. Okay, we are getting the output. Let me delete this as well. So today we are going to learn about data types. Okay. Let me comment this. You might be wondering why I have put a hash over the line number one, okay, over here. So basically, the significance of comment is just used for documentation purpose. Whenever you are writing a software, there is a possibility that it has used someone different logic. Okay, same problem can be solved with different perspectives, right? So in order to do the documentation, we make use of comments. Comments are of two types: single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments, I have showed you how you can write. You just need to add this particular thing hash and your line will be commented down. This particular line will not be executed and it will be ignored. Do you want to see the proof? Here it goes. You just need to run it and you won't get any particular output. So this goes for a single line comment, and let me tell you how you can put a multiple line comment. Just need to press three times backtick, and then whatever you write in between these three backticks, your line will be considered as a multi-line comment and the code will not be executed over here. Let us start with data types. As the name suggests, type of data is known as data type. So let me cover some basic data type over here. Integer. So what are the values that we can write over integer? So it can be a single quoted values. What do I mean by single quoted values? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, anything. All right. So, like number of two types, numbers are of two type. That is, numbers without decimal value and numbers with decimal value. So these are the numbers without decimal value. So the numbers which comes with decimal value, we can consider them into the float. So float, and you can write numbers values as 1.2, 5.6, 1.3, 13.6, etc., etc. Okay, so these are the values which you can expect in float. Integer, float, character. So in character, you can store any character over here. Okay, so these are the data types that we are covering today. I'm going to show you a live demo. Okay, so integer, for floor, character, boolean. So boolean is used mostly into the loops. Okay, this is used for if and else condition, true or false, one or zeros condition. So the values of boolean are true and false. And we have string over here which contains the value. You can write over here days. Okay, so these are the basic data types in Python: integer, char, floor, boolean, and string. What are variables? So as the name suggests, let me create another comment over here. Variables. Okay, variables are something which vary over a time. Okay, that's why we are giving a name as variables. Okay, so let's say you want to print hello from Shazam. So as our expectation, it will print the line hello from Shazam, and we consider that it won't count these comments into it. Okay, so we'll just execute this. See, we are getting hello from Shazam. Let's consider our hypothetical situation that you have multiple users and you want to print hello from multiple users. So what you are going to do? At that particular time, we make use of variables. So here I'll make a variable named name and store a value over it. So what are the value that you can store here? So hello from, we are going to print John. So I'm going to save the value John into name. And what's the type of data? It's string. See? All right. So here I'm going to make use of variable and I'll print hello from and the name of the variable. And I'll write over here as name. Okay. So now it will print true statement, that is first is Shazam and second is John. Let us run this particular thing. See, you are getting two outputs. That is first is from hello from Shazam and second is hello from John. Okay, so that's the basic use case of variables and data types. All right, hope you got the gist of what is data type and what are variables and how we make use of variable. Okay, let's say you want to print, let's say another condition, you want to print a day and the name and the day is Sunday, which is today, thankfully. And I want to print today is and the name of the day. Let us print this. See, it is printing today is Sunday. Here, Sunday is the value and the day is variable. What if I change this Sunday to Monday? What will be the output? Since we changed the value, it will affect the output as well. So here we will get the output as today is Monday. All right. So as the name mentioned, variable, it varies over time. So variables contains those value which gets varied over time. All right. And these are the data types which we covered already. All right. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.